Ciao everyone, it's Marchettino and today is the day because I'm about to enjoy my Ferrari around Monza. I think today we're gonna have a great time. So how can you not love Monza? I think this is one of the most important racetracks in the world. And being today here with my own Ferrari, it's a dream becoming true. It's not the first time I'm driving my Ferrari around the track. I've driven at Vairano, Balocco, but this, Monza, driving a Ferrari in such a place, it's a must. If I buy a Ferrari, it must be on the list. Driving at least once in the Temple of Speed. So as you know guys, my Ferrari is fully stock, exhaust aside, so stock brakes. The car currently is on Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires, suspension are stock, so I'm quite curious to see how's this car like to drive around this pretty fast racetrack. Also, today is a red hot day at Monza. I could actually drive with the roof down, but considering that I have my onboard cameras, I think we're gonna hear a lot of wind noises, so I'm gonna keep the roof on. I will have to be very careful because it's a plus 20 years old Ferrari. As I already said, you can enjoy it, you can drive it fast, but you have to be careful. You have to drive this car with a lot of respect. Anyway guys, enough with the talking. I filled up the car with 100 octane fuel. Let's take the helmet and have good fun. Okay guys, we are ready to roll. It's priceless what I'm doing right now. I'm about to hit Monza racetrack, the Temple of Speed, in my own Ferrari 355. Driving a Ferrari at Monza, it's a once in a lifetime experience. Let's see how this baby like to drive. How can you not love driving with a manual around the track? Come on! He's waving me the blue flag. I think he just wants to hear the sound. Much traffic today around the track. Whenever I drive on track, I want to track this like this without many cars around. Oh, massive backfire. Good year. Nicely. This is the trickiest part of the track. And set up again. It backfires never helps you. I'm not doing any kind of late braking because brakes of this car, I think they're not that powerful. So let's take it easy with the brakes. And just in a straight line with the flag on the curve. love this manual. There's literally nobody around the track right now. It's amazing. It's like playing a video game. Battle, I'm starting to feel the fading. Sorry guys, I'm not talking that much because I'm just enjoying the moment. Oh yeah. Never forget this day around Monza with the Ferrari. That's for sure. Slow down. Just look at the temperature of the engine oil. It's pretty high. So you can do 2 laps flat out with the 5 and then end of the game. Brakes are gone. Temperature is way too high. So now it's time to cool it down. Let the car rest in the paddock for a bit. But still, wow, I am impressed. It's not the quickest car I have driven at Monza, but my goodness. The driving experience, the sensations, the emotions that this car is able to convey to the driver. This car is so rewarding. It's amazing. I am about to cry because driving this car at Monza is quite special, really. I don't know how many hours I've played with the Assetto Corsa driving at Monza, and now I'm here. Woo! With my own Ferrari. What a day. As long as I have this car, I will enjoy it for sure. Who cares about the miles? Who cares about keeping it stuck in the garage? If you have a Ferrari, if you have a special car like this, just use it, just enjoy it. Because one day you will think about all the special things you have done with the car, and then you will be like, yeah, it was definitely worth it. Oh guys, what a day. I think the 345 behaved quite nicely around the track. I truly loved it. It feels so nice to drive, even though this car doesn't have any kind of electronics at all. It's fun. It's fun. It gives me a nice feedback. And it will. What's going on here? Whoa! That's a lovely traffic. Just look at the Taurus. Yeah, I think this is just another ordinary day in Italy. Lots of cars and passion for speed. please allow me to say it. What a truly amazing experience behind the wheel of the Ferrari around Monza. So now it's cooling down a little bit because I have done in total 6 laps. It's a lot for a car like this. You can do 2 laps completely full throttle and then you have to stop, you have to slow down to make the brakes cool down a little bit. The same for the engine because after 2 laps the temperature of the engine oil is very high. But anyway, I'm very happy. I knew that the brakes would have been not that much for this car and for this track, but the tires, I think they were very good. We've peeled them a little bit, but it's okay as long as you have fun with it. Also, this car has covered 6,000 kilometers since the last service. Considering that this is the 3rd track day I'm doing with this car, I think it's time for a service. So I think today it's an expensive day for me because I have to go at Ferrari to replace the engine oil, the filter. Then I have to do something with the brakes because I want more power. I think the engine is amazing even for this racetrack. It's priceless to hear it shout above 8,000 RPMs. And also guys, driving around this iconic racetrack, playing with these pedals and this stick, wow, this is simply a priceless driving experience. Anyway guys, the more I drive this car and the more I love it. What a day, and also I cannot wait for the next track day to come with the Ferrari. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching. Ciao!